Hello again. So, another expansion device, I guess. So, USB switch selector. I'll be using this primarily for the printer. Yeah, because two PCs for one inkjet printer, and my inkjet printer is not the networked one because that's too expensive. And if I'm going to buy a networked inkjet printer, I'll just buy a laser color printer with network capabilities. I mean, I prefer that than a networked inkjet. So this is a workaround, I guess. Two desktops using the same printer. Hopefully this works uh, for the printer. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I'm processing some video on. So that's what that sound was. So going back to this. Yep. So pretty much this is, as I mentioned, primarily for the printer. And yeah, I got it at a discount. Otherwise, I won't be buying this. It's not branded, so that's why it's not that expensive. It's cheap. Hopefully, it's a good value because it's like $17 to $20. Again, this is not sponsored, so let me open the thing. Why won't it open? Wait, what? What? Only two? Why won't it? Ah, yeah, there. Okay. Come on, come on. Yeah. Open the box. Yeah, it's a tiny one. It's made of case is made of plastic. So you have like this here and this here and another one for what's this? Some is that a micro USB? Probably, I don't know what's that called. And some, I guess, user guide. And that's pretty much it. Doesn't fit. Come on. Yeah, it's look it looks like it's a fingerprint magnet. Hopefully it's not a fingerprint magnet. No, it's not. It's black matte, at least on this top and on this bottom, but yeah, this corner over here is this thing here. That's a fingerprint magnet. Mm, well, is no, that was um, that micro USB is for the power. So this like this small thing here, that's for the 5 volt. It's weird, but okay. So this is USB powered. Well, so you'll be using like one of the two computers will be using two USB ports, I guess. So hopefully this is a good value, but I'm not hoping too much about this on this thingy. So I'll try it later once I'm done connecting or doing other things. Once I'm done with those, then we'll use this. So that's it for now. Uh, well, hopefully I didn't waste that $17 to $20 for this. Hopefully this lasts a long. Uh, yeah. So until next time, bye.